Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Today I'm shooting a video of our brand new Chrysler Voyager. This is a rear entry, manual ramp and door, very easy to operate, very low cost to maintain. I can operate this entire conversion using only 2 fingers. You can see I can pinch these clamps here. These clamps are a great design. They keep these ramps from rattling. You may have seen some rear entry designs that twist here in the middle, or there's a slide. I tell you what, those are going to rattle. I'm just warning you right now. So I got the handle on either side, and as you can see, it's spring assisted. I can take this down using only my index finger. See how easy that was to do? I tell our customers, if you can lift a half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate one of these ramps with ease. The ramp itself is 34 inches wide. It's 4 inches wider than a side entry van, so that's why I like these rear entries better. At the base here, it does taper down to 32 inches at the base where the ramp sets, but you can see you can get a chair with real wide armrests in there. The entry is 56 inches coming inside the door, 58 inches inside the van. Yes, this van is ADA compliant, and you can see it has 8 tie-down points to hold up to 2 wheelchairs at a time, or a gurney, or a stretcher. Now these are a lot deeper than both the Caravan and the Sienna, so if you are planning on doing a gurney kit, or if you're planning on hauling 2 chairs at a time, this might be the van for you. A lot more room. You can see it's got the upgraded jump seats in the middle. There's about 26 inches of room between those. Those are generally a $1,500 upgrade. They're already included in this van. It's got the rear air controls, and like I said, it's brand new. Everything in this van is perfect condition. It's got the steering wheel control so you can keep your eyes on the road. Dual climate control, backup camera, touch screen. Got all kinds of plugs for all your electronics. Nice center console there, tons of cup holders, tons of storage. And we do give a free set of Q-strength tie downs away with each van. And then as you're exiting the vehicle, got everybody secure, come down and look again, 1 finger. That's all it takes. Very simple to do. Get it latched down, and you are ready to roll. Do a quick walk around these. This is the black tinted windows, and you can see on this window sticker it is brand new. I don't know if you can see that very well. These get 22 miles per gallon combined. That's 10%. The Caravans get 20 miles per gallon. So my point is that 10% doesn't sound like a lot. 10% better fuel mileage, and if you don't drive the van very much, it's not that big a deal. If you're getting this for a cab company or a taxi service, you better believe that 10% better fuel every month, that's going to save you a lot of money, especially if you have 2 or 3 or 4 more of these out on the highway. They've made these real slick. They look great. These come with a 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper-to-bumper warranty from Chrysler. Good at any Chrysler Dodge dealership in the nation. They come with a 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty, also from Dodge Chrysler, for the engine and transmission. And then the conversion itself comes with a 3-year unlimited mile warranty on the conversion. Now, the competition like Freedom Motors and Braun, and they're going to tell you they have a better conversion than us. That's fine. I want you to ask them what their warranty is. They're going to tell you their warranty is 3 years, 36,000 miles, whichever comes first. Ours is 3 years unlimited miles. So you tell me who has the better conversion. You can drive this thing 1,000,000 miles in 3 years. We're gonna warranty it every step of the way. There stops at 36,000 miles. So do the math there. You tell me who has the better conversion. I'll let them speak for themselves. I'm just gonna tell you about our vehicle. So very clean interior. This is a cloth interior. Just give you a good look there. Got the 2 keys. Got the dual keys. Keyless entry. Comes with the owner's manual as well. Got the push button start, which is real nice if it's in your pocket or in your purse. You're helping get kids loaded or loading a wheelchair. You don't have to go digging around. You just hop right up front here. You're ready to go. There's the backup camera I told you about. Let me pop the hood real quick so you can listen to it run. Underneath the hood has 3.6 V6 engine. These have plenty of power to get up and go. And we do have financing available. I can take an application over the phone. I can send one to your phone. I can send one to your email. Just depends on whatever you're comfortable with. And you can see our entire inventory, most of it with free shipping like this van. Yes, I said free shipping. Anywhere in the lower 48 states, we'll ship this out to you at no charge to you. Check out our entire inventory at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. You know, if you talk to the competition, Almost any time you give them a call, you're going to talk to a car salesman. And that's fine, but a lot of them, they're going to be chasing that commission check. They're going to be working somewhere else in a couple months. They don't care if you get the truth. They don't care if you get a good deal. All they care about is that commission check. Well, me, I'm the owner. I'm going to be here 5 years from now. I'm going to be here 10 years from now. If you want to call and talk to a car salesman, go ahead, call the competition. If you want to talk to the owner, give me a call. 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. Again, my name is Jeremiah. If you're more of a text messenger, texting is easier for you, give me a text. 316-518-4377. That's 518-4377. The area code is 316. I want you to talk to the competition. I also want you to ask them, say, hey, do you care about customer service enough? Do you care if I get a good deal enough to give me the owner's cell phone number? Talk to those big companies, see if you can have the owner's cell phone number, because you now got my cell phone number and I am the owner. So if there's anything we can do, any questions you have that weren't answered in this video, please give me a call. I want you to know exactly what you're getting. I don't want to hide anything. When this van shows up on your doorstep with our free shipping, I want you to say that's exactly the van I saw in the video. That's exactly what Jeremiah told me it was going to be. So as always, thanks so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.